Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show. My name's Christa Clark. I run the blog artisticvegan.com, and today we're featuring pizza. I don't want my husband here. So I have been craving this. This is one of my most favorite comfort foods in the world, and it just sounds good. So that's what we're going to be eating today. And it's a pretty easy recipe to get going for the crust. You'll need some flour of choice. I'm going gluten-free, but you could use an all-purpose flour if you prefer. It'd probably turn out even nicer. But I'm using 200 grams of rice flour, 50 grams of tapioca starch, and then I've also got another 45 grams on the side in case I need a little extra. I need 1 pack of instant yeast. You'll need some coconut sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil, and some warm water. And that's everything that you'll need. So to get started, it's quite simple. You'll just mix in your flour with some sugar of choice. I'm going with coconut sugar. The yeast, if it's not instant yeast, you'll want to get it going. Add in your instant yeast. Go ahead and give that a mix. And so just a little bit of salt, a couple tablespoons of oil. You could also go oil free and use like tahini or just a little extra water. To that, you want to add some warm water, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit to be exact. And with a wooden spoon or preferred tool, give that a mix. Have a little extra flour on the side. Cover your dough with a lightly dampened clean dishcloth in a warm place and set it aside for about 30 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Our pizza crust is rising, so now we can make our toppings. In here I have some TVP chunks. I want about 3/4 cup of those. Actually, I just want about a 1/2 cup. I don't want to go crazy with it. 1/2 cup. A 1/2 cup of hot water to that. And this will soak and absorb the water. About 1.5 tablespoons, a whole teaspoon of paprika, a little bit of salt, not too much. And then I have about a teaspoon of oregano. I'm just gonna crush it up in my fingers real quick, make sure I don't have any stems. In that goes. About a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, and those are dry, so you can use just ingredients from the cupboard, which keeps it nice and simple this time during quarantine. You can also add a little drizzle of oil if you want, but you don't have to. It just kind of gives it a fatty essence, if you will. Okay, so there's our delicious TVP. It already looks and smells so good. I'm gonna set that aside. It will marinate and absorb the water, and then we can get our other ingredients. You want to start preheating your oven. If you have a pizza stone, excellent, put that in there. If you don't have a pizza stone, you can put your pan in the oven and it'll act like a hot surface to put your crust on. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to slice these thin. I'm going to cut them into about an inch piece. Look at this. In the end, you end up with this delicious pizza that I really cannot wait to dig into. Just going for a big old piece. Look at that, holds up really great. That's gluten-free crust, and it's all vegan, of course. My mouth's watering as I'm holding it, brings back memories, and here we go. I get very serious about it. It's really good. Because we heated the pan, the crust on the bottom got really crispy, which I really like. I hope my husband likes it. And it's really delicious. The meat, quote unquote, from the TVP is really fantastic. I love the cheese that's on there, the vegan cheese. And then of course the flavor from the grilled zucchini, a little bit of onion on some of the slices. And let's give the crust a try. It's really nice because you get the thin crust on the bottom, and then you get the thick crust at the end with some cheese in it. Absolutely delicious. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed experimenting with me in the kitchen today. This was just something I thought would be nice to make for lunch today. So that's what Gerald and I are having in quarantine. I send you all my love and many blessings. Until next time, namaste. I'll see you then. Bye, my friends. Muy rico. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Starfire gold discovered in Hathor's temple was used by the Anunnaki to enhance their energy bodies and possibly to prolong their lives. In 2009, scientists discovered the link between telomere length and aging. Our alchemical elixir and spagyric use superconductive properties of transition metals like gold to create an orbitally rearranged monatomic element that we love terming Starfire gold. Get your alchemical elixir of the Anunnaki today in many different shapes and sizes over at geraldclark77.com or artisticvegan.com. Thanks for being a customer. We love you so much. Bye.